It's full time here in Haverfordwest. It's Haverfordwest 1, Aberystwyth Town 3. I'm here with brace scoring hero Jonathan Evans. John, you must be very pleased with your performance today.
Yeah, obviously every game for us now is last resort really, because we've got to get the job done at the end of the day if we want that 7th place playoff. Every game's tough now because every team is fighting to get that 7th place, and obviously you've got the thing of relegation in mind as well. So every game's massive for us. So today's a great result for us.
For your first goal today it came a bit fortuitously from a defensive error, but you took it very, very well.
Yeah, at the end of the day, I think I was just in the right place at the right time, and hopefully we'll see plenty more of it. I just swung the left foot and it went in the right place. So.
And then you got a second one after the Sean James shot, and not your usual assist, but you'll take it out all the way.
Yeah, that's it. At the end of the day, I just gambled. No one else seemed to know really what was going on, so I just made the gamble, and I was there again, right place at the right time. So I'm very happy.
It's been a bit of a whirlwind few months for you with training from Penryn and then coming into the Aberystwyth team. You must be pretty pleased with how well you've come in for settled in for your second spell of the club.
Yeah, at the end of the day, all I can do is my best, and so I'm glad with the way things have gone so far. So I just keep doing my best now, and hopefully things go well.
And finally, what's your plans for what's your hopes and dreams for the end of the season?
Well, obviously Evans chasing that 7th place to get the playoff, so that'll be our goal now, to push on, win as many games as we can, and get that 7th place sorted.
John, many congratulations on your time, and thanks for